Hi. So now up to departments. Now, the department the next feature will be looking at, and now departments do not the department here do not relate with departments as you would find them in higher institutions. So basically, the departments here are more of the departments that you have in your school. For example, accounting department, bursary department, computer department, the fitness department, sports department, right? Departments like that. So this is where you keep them, right? If you remember in the first video where we talked about the panel admins, right? So it relates here. So you decide the kind of department you want to have. So let's take for example, you want to include the department like sports department. Again, by the top right of your screen, you would find dashboard, add department, and view department. So you click on add department. Now in add department, you include the department name, sports, and then click submit.